working. Right then, Roops. This is the beast. There's a lot of still welding, so I'm probably going to take some stuff apart again to redo it. But it's a sweet little motor. It's got a very unusual front end. It's a Z400 front wheel. I'm not sure what the disc rotor's off. Caliper's off for some Chinese dirt bike. And yeah, the wiring's all done. Yeah, it's going to clean up. So that's the kind of the look of it. It's a little fun bike, and you probably recognise the old speedometer. And there's the electrics. That's how to do electrics. None of this poncing about crap. There's the boiler in there as well. Look. And the seat needs springs in it, but it needs covering. It needs a chain guard. Oh, it needs a tyre. That tyre's too thick. The chain won't clear it. I'll show you this Trident. It's amazing. Garage is looking a bit. Oh, here's my garage door opener. There. There's a coded box out here, and there's one on by the door there, and there's one in the car, so I can open and close it in the car. It's very lazy. And there's one up there, which I haven't finished installing yet. So here's the Trident. Look at this. This is just freaking amazing. Oh, have a look and see. It's just like new, this bike. Look. It's incredible. I don't know how many miles it's done. 13,000. It's probably genuine. But it's got new front wheel. There's so many new bits with it as well. An exhaust. Obviously the transmission is still not in one piece. I'm waiting for gaskets for it. And see, on the T160, on the clutch is this pinion for the starter, which engages with somewhere here. Where the hell is it? Oh, it's inside. Engages with that in there. And then for some reason they fixed duplex primary drive chains on the 2160 rather than triplets, but I think you can fit triplets.